Hello everyone, I'm here with my lovely friend Kathy, and she has experienced mesmerism and magnetism today. So I want to know, Kathy, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling really good today.
Yeah? How do you feel after the mesmerizing and magnetism?
It was really good. It was very intense.
Yeah.
It was fast. It's soothing. It's calming. I feel great. I honestly feel very chill, very relaxed right now. Yeah.
So what did you feel when he was like doing that?
Yeah, because I couldn't see what he was doing, I had my eyes closed, and when he was behind me, I couldn't tell. But I felt pulls, like pull forward, pull back, and you just felt your whole body moving, when Ayush was doing the
Pull thing.
Yeah. It's something I've never felt before. Like,
have you been feeling differently or anything?
I've been stressed a lot lately with a lot of things, but things are starting to come good, like lately in my life, and I feel relaxed. I feel very calm, very relaxed. I'd recommend it to anyone. It's I'd see videos of things like this and I didn't believe it. I thought, nah, they're joking, but it really does work, and you do feel that pull, and it's amazing. So I'm hoping to see in the next few days or coming weeks how, once it all sinks into my system, my body, how I will be and how I'll feel about things. But I'm feeling really good right now, really good.